A Chinese gamer has presented what show up on be characterized military data on the gathering of a tank computer game called War Thunder. His inspiration? Not global reconnaissance in an entertaining turn, but rather to get engineers to change the details of the game's tanks, Kotaku reports. Amazingly, it's essentially the third time that something like this has occurred. Last year, an alternate player posted the manual of a UK military tank to a War Thunder gathering, driving the UK's Ministry of Defence to mediate. Only months after the fact, an alternate player posted schematics of a French tank. The latest post, by the Chinese player, incorporated a photograph of combat hardware schematics of a round terminated by Chinese tanks. The picture even incorporated a genuine rendition of the round, put on top of the schematics, as per Kotaku. We don't need to let you know that posting military mysteries on a computer game discussion is a poorly conceived notion. Besides the fact that you gambling are being restricted from the game, yet the military should have a word with you too. While the gathering post has since been taken out, the picture is currently getting out and about via online entertainment. Our People Group chiefs quickly prohibited the client and erased his post, as the data on this specific shell is as yet characterized in China, the gathering's arbitrators told Kotaku. Distributing characterized data on any vehicle of any country at War Thunder gatherings is obviously disallowed, and the game designers never use it in their work. So that's it. Whenever you're enraged by a computer game's wrong depiction of current fighting, maybe let it go, or if nothing else don't turn to releasing characterized data accordingly.